Hei dragilor! Da, din nou eu m-am întors. Iubesc jocul ăsta, Airplane One. De data asta mă joc din nou, da, dar nu o să fie la fel ca data trecută, să vă plictisiți. Bun, haideți să începem. 2 ani după acel accident, un accident la fel s-a întâmplat. Și acum, o fată pe nume tot Carly, care era sora mai mică lui fata care a murit în data trecută. S-a întâmplat să fie în același accident în drum spre Africa. Aaaa! Ce s-a întâmplat? Am ajuns în aceeași stare ca Sisi. Ei, măcar mai am pizza. Oh my gosh! Hei, nu mai săriți, fraților, eram 20 pe avion. Oh my gosh, stupid people, don't jump anymore. We were 20 on the flight. What do you mean shark? It isn't any shark. Life. I lost my sister. Okay, I will leave everyone stay front, just so I couldn't die. Oh no! Oh no! What has gotten into me? Zborul măcar a fost bun. Măcar nu au fost ciudățenii. Am zburat normal până a venit o furtună și nici nu ne-a spus să vină înapoi și a dat foc amândouă aripile. Felicitări! E drăguț pe aici. Hai să explorăm pădurea. Ui! Mere, avem mâncare. E o mâncare dublă, că am și pizza. Ce faceți? Vă îngrămădiți? Săriți pe mere? Nu, tu l-ai găsit. Dar în fine, mai urmăr. Pizza. Bun, am rămas fără mâncare. Ce? What is it? He just disappeared. He disappeared. Girl, he disappeared. He isn't. He disappeared. Why can't we go there? I'm lucky to have all of you here. You are very much people. Let's not say very much. If we go far, don't you see the black skies? A storm will come. Come here, boys. Stay very close to this thing. Girls, aren't boys annoying? Yeah, they are always annoying. Didn't you see them? Of course it is a thunder, but you boys were jump, 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 jump. Did that help you? No. And on the plane you were like this too. Of course you wish it. I wish it too, but it was in my bag. That bag was on the check-in in the plane, but now my stuff don't exist anymore. I think the same. Now I'm lost. I'm lost. Where the heck am I? Oh no. Yeah, I'm saying the same thing as you. I will die. I will die. No! What has gotten in my imagination? This won't happen. It will be a normal vacation. I'm here on the airplane with the president coming because my sister was a hero saving that plane, but not like a hero, so I don't have the best place ever because she died, but I am known as a hero. Nothing like that will happen. You know what happens? Your sister will just imagine stupid things. Everything will be fine. Apropo, acum sunt pe airplane 2, deci da. You will meet the president because your sister was a hero. I remember when Sissy had this hair and then she dyed her hair that beautiful color. But then she go to Hawaii. But I'm going to Africa. But whatever. Where is my seat? I don't see my name. I know I don't have the best seat ever, I think. Is it here? No. Here? No. Here? I don't think so. Oh, it is here. Well, I have a good place. Oh my gosh, I accepted it. I accepted him to be my friend, but I didn't want it. Hi, Kaylee. Oh, I hope something bad won't happen. Ooh, comfy chairs. 2020 is the best year ever. Ooh, how cool. I didn't save the airplane, Sissy saved it. But I was invited because I had get a ticket. I found it. Ok, eu sunt de acord. O să fie ok, nu pățești nimic acasă. Si, am pățit cea puțin. Și că mi-e dor de ea. Oh my gosh. Millefeed, are you okay? Are you okay? Hey, Max, get out of her. And why would I? Get away from her. She's my best friend. Ok. Nu înțeleg ce are lumea de aici. O mătură. Agenți. Ce scaune mișto, păcat că n-are nimeni loc pe ele. Ce? E un monstru? Nu e un monstru. Mulțumim, dar sora mea a făcut asta. Why are these people jumping in, staying on the table? What is your problem, people? Okay. Oh my gosh! Cât de nesimțit poți să fii, băiete? Dă-mi o mătură! Dă-mi o mătură! Am fost și eu babysitter la un moment dat. Și chiar mai sunt. Am mai șters apă. Până acum la viața mea. Nu primești niciun premiu? Nimic? Niciun ban? Nesimțiți. Bună ziua, domnule! Hei, Utca! Mai sta așa, știi că se înfâie ușor președinte. Ha? Ah, ok. Hi. Hello, President of Roblox Estates, Ronald. My name is Sarah Carly. I have the same name as my sister, Carly. Ooh, food. What? You never cooked before. I cook it my entire life. Let me in! Happy the IGGY! Let me in! Oh my god! The president threw her out too! Wow! This soup is so good. This is the best plane ever. Hi, Pablo. Hi. Oh, you're the Pablo. Oh, why did that girl die? Whatever. Enjoy? Okay. So good. It was delicious. Yeah, we really enjoyed it. Welcome back. Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic family. We open real soon. We can look here on a Netflix. I am not a hacker. Woo! Someone found it out. Hey, President! This soup was very good. Wait, what? Oh, he's the president. Don't you talk? Bedroom. Hi! It's no problem. No big deal. Okay. Oh. Of course. How did you find the keys? Okay. Oh, the keys are here. Cozy, fluffy bed. Woohoo! This is the The best fucking plane ever. Can we open the TV? Can we look at Netflix? You two are gay. I'll open the TV. Huh, what happened? Ugh, it is night. What is it? What curtain? I know something bad will happen. I didn't need it to fly. A monster? Boys, I'll come with you. I know that monster will come. I don't think so. Boys, girls, I love you. Huh? We are locked here. I know that too. You don't say. We will come then. Oh, I know it. I was so sleepy. Why did I ever come with this plane? I knew it something bad will happen. I hope we can't die. Oh fuck. Losers. That ugly Kaylee. She said to us that come to the pilot. He didn't catch me. Phew. Wow. I have never been with the plane, but this is horrible. 15-year-old coming in a plane alone. Yeah, you knew it. Whatever. What? Oh. What? Why? Get it the gun. What if you get it the gun? Me. Fuck you. We will die because of you. Agent. Who did he shot? nice, bro. Ooh. Now, I really became a hero. Woohoo! Vă mulțumesc, dragilor, sper că v-a plăcut. Bye!